Hello, this is just a short video to show you how to link an IC database to an ArcGIS database. We thought this might be of interest to a few people, so we thought we'd show you the workflow to do so. I have a IC 2016 SQL Server database here, which I'm going to show you how to connect. To do so, I open it in the back end of SQL using the SQL Management Studio. So I've got my database open here with all my tables, and as you can see there's a lot of different information that you can pull across into ArcGIS. I could choose to pull all of this data through separately, or I could actually create something called views by coming down here and right clicking, which basically enable you to customize which columns and rows you actually use. So I'll show you the one that we prepared earlier. So this one is for our latitude, longitude and the top and base depth of our stratigraphy. So this might be of use to some people. So there's a lot of information on the internet on how to create views, but quite simply it's just right click and you go to the design view and create one. So once you're happy with all of that and you actually want to pull your data through into ArcGIS, you go through to the software. So this is just a blank arc map in ArcGIS, and I'm just going to pull my data through. So if I go through to the catalogue here and go to my database connections, you see something called add database connection. So just double click that and that brings up a new box. So from the drop down menu here you have a few different options of database types that you can connect to. With IC you'd either be looking at Oracle or SQL Server. So we're going to use the SQL Server. So I then would enter my instance in the box below and just select an authentication type. So if I'm happy with all of that, I can then come to the drop down menu and select which database I want to use. So I'm going to use this one here. So if I'm happy with that, I press OK and a new connection is made there. Can you see that there? So all I'm going to do is double click on that and it brings through all of the tables that we saw previously within the back end of SQL. So I'm just going to drag and drop my data onto there and finish like that. So if I open that data, I can then see that data within ArcGIS that's all pulled through from IC. So to see it actually on a map, I'm just going to edit the display X and Y data options and come here and go to top depth. And then I'm going to edit my geographic coordinate system, and it's ED50 for this project. And just click OK there. So within a few moments that'll start to populate like so, and that's quick and simply just pulling through your data within a couple of moments. Thank you for your time.